Hello, amazing kids! Welcome to our channel where we explore fun and productive ways to spend our spare time. Today, we're going to learn some cool activities that not only entertain us, but also help us grow and learn. Are you ready to make your spare time super awesome? Let's dive in. Let's start with one of my favorites, reading. Reading is a fantastic way to use our spare time wisely. It's like going on adventures without leaving your cozy spot. You can explore magical worlds, learn about fascinating creatures, or even travel through time. Whether it's a storybook, comic, or magazine, reading helps expand our imagination and vocabulary. So grab your favorite book and let's embark on an exciting reading journey. Next up, let's get creative with arts and crafts. Drawing, painting, crafting. There are endless possibilities to express ourselves and unleash our creativity. You can draw your dream world, paint a masterpiece, or make DIY projects from recyclable materials. Creative arts not only entertain us, but also boost our confidence and problem-solving skills. So gather your art supplies and let your imagination run wild. Now, let's explore the world of learning something new. Learning doesn't have to be boring. It can be super fun and exciting. You can learn a new language, play a musical instrument, or even master a magic trick. Learning new things challenges our brains and opens up doors to endless possibilities. So pick something you've always wanted to learn, and let's embark on an amazing learning journey together. Time to get outside and enjoy some fresh air. Outdoor adventures are a fantastic way to stay active and healthy while having a blast. You can go for a nature walk, ride your bike, or have a picnic in the park. Outdoor activities not only energize us, but also help us appreciate the beauty of nature. So put on your sunscreen and let's embark on an exciting outdoor adventure. Last but not least, let's spread some kindness by helping others. Giving back to our community is one of the most rewarding ways to spend our spare time. You can volunteer at a local shelter, help your neighbors, or even organize a charity fundraiser. Helping others not only makes a positive impact, but also teaches us empathy and compassion. So let's join hands and make the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. That's all for today, awesome kids. I hope you've enjoyed discovering fun and productive ways to spend your spare time. Remember, whether it's reading a book, getting creative, learning something new, enjoying outdoor adventures, or helping others, there are endless opportunities to make every moment count. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being awesome. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!